Find or read reviews that people are talking about ZEOUPT Digital Camera, ZEOUPT 4K 64 megapixels cameras. Why you should choose? Because it has the following features. 4K, 4 megapixels digital camera with AF featuring a next-generation high-performance processor chip, this vlogging camera delivering powerhouse performance in a minimalist form. With 4K, UHD, 64 megapixels CMOS sensor and fast autofocus, it snaps sharp, detailed photos and smooth footage. As top-tier photography cameras for beginners or teens, it provides pro-level quality via simple operations. Jump into creative shooting instantly. Exclusive 270 degrees flip screen. This camera photographic highlights a 2.8-inch display with 180 degrees clockwise/90 degree counterclockwise flip, effortless selfies, easy overhead angle shots, clear real-time previews, perfectly backlit shooting with metering function. It has a built-in tripod thread for steady, shake-free shooting anytime, anywhere. Creative and versatile functions. This small digital camera shines with 18x zoom, which can capture faraway details through paddle control. This compact camera covers built-in fill light. 16 fun filters, 3 photo modes, normal, self-timer, burst, 3 video modes, normal, loop time-lapse, plus and, or -3.0 exposure compensation, and advanced video controls like pause/playback and self-timer function lets unlock more shooting possibilities. Long-lasting and durability. This Digicam is a practical portable camera, with 2 batteries, 80 minutes each, for non-stop shooting. It's small, sturdy for daily use and travel, and has an auto shutdown function to save power, blending portability with hassle-free reliability. Seamless connectivity and record while charging. The 4K camera transforms into a premium webcam for live streaming and video conferences while maintaining 4K quality. The streamlined transfer system enables instant file sharing via USB connection. Note: please use the original data cable for data transfer. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.